All right, guys, so day two, part two of our commercial rewire here. We got a lot of the demo done yesterday. We got the lights all laid out on the floor. So main goal for today is going to be running MC to all of our pendant locations and track light locations, since we know where those are going to be, and start trying to hang our unistrut and everything like that to be able to start hanging lights.
Well, hurry up!
As well. So I'll probably again just do some time lapse things today of us, slinging wire or slinging MC cable, and yeah, we'll give you an update at the end of the day. All right, so into day two, we were able to get the majority of the unistrut run, and we started linking together our pendants. We're just finishing up for today, and we'll be back for day three, but just a quick update, and we already ran the new lighting circuits for the panel, from the panel to where the switch location is going to be, and then our switch legs over to where these pendants and track lights are going to be, so that's all done. So yeah, we just got to keep linking everything together and continue the next day. Thanks.